Currently 2:06 a.m.
Morning all. I'm here at Dead Horse and it's 5:40 local time. It's maybe 40 degrees and raining. I've got everything as buttoned up as I can. Let's hope for the best, shall we? I'm not looking forward to this.
Oh boy. It's not raining very hard. It's windy, as you can see. Ain't that just lovely? But it's the best I can do for right now. At least the good part is the next 58 miles are pavement, then a few miles of dirt, then about another 8 miles or so of pavement. Hopefully by then I will get lucky and things will dry out. Put the old bike in rain mode here. Okay, goodbye Dead Horse. Thank you. Well, hopefully we make it to the North Pole today. Yeah, go to Prudhoe Bay, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Wow, this sucks. Okay, here we are at the foot of the Brooks Range. I hope that's just fog and not rain. Met another motorcycle traveler. He's in good spirits. I'm mostly in good spirits. It's been a challenging ride so far. I got 92 miles to go to get to Coldfoot. And this is what about 100 and some miles of nasty, wet, filthy Dalton Highway looks like so far. Well, unfortunately, it's not fog, it's rain. Crap. Boy, they're braver than me. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Good luck, guys. I hope you stay safe. Yeah. Oh, finally. Memory serves, I've got pavement now back to Coldfoot. Oh, I can actually relax just a little bit. Wow. Well, here we are, Saturday. 6:07 a.m. local time. Breakfast is had. It ain't no better today. Let's hope for the best. I doubt I'll do much recording because my focus is on staying alive. Get that Bee Gees song out of your head now, right? And if the roads were good, this would be a 6-hour trip, but I'm hoping to make it in 8 or less, maybe 7, and my destination is a car wash. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't going to record much today, but that's freaking beautiful. Who would have thought 90 miles into today's journey I would be dealing with dust? The amount of dust, lack of moisture, hindsight being perfect as always, probably would have been just fine to keep running yesterday. Oh well, can't know everything. Alright, here at the Yukon camp, I was able to find a garden hose they were gracious enough to let me use to flush out my radiator real quick, so hopefully I'll have no heating problems when I get to the construction zone up here in about 30-40 miles. But while I've got your attention, let's take a nice easy stroll over the Yukon River again. Yeah, they don't open up till 9 a.m. so if you're here for food or gas, just be aware of that. And to get gas, you park at the gas pump, you go in, you leave them your credit card, you come out, you pump your gas, you take a picture of what the gas pump says you owe them, go back in, pay, and you're good to go. I didn't get gas here, but I did read the sign, and that's what it says. I got more than enough gas to get to Fairbanks and then some, just by filling up in Coldfoot. As I'm sure you're aware, that's a big benefit of a GSA, that 8-gallon fuel tank. That's why I wanted a GSA over a GS, and that's the main reason. Secondary reasons are it comes with all the stuff I would have bought anyway, like crash bars and lights and things of that nature. Had a nice chat with a lady that drives for the construction crews here about she's one of the pilot car drivers, so that was a good talk. And for you other motorcyclists that have never been here to Alaska, a cool tip to share: we motorcycles get head of the line privileges for these construction zones that have pilot cars. They want us up front because we usually don't cause as much trouble as the four-wheeled vehicles, and the way the stones get thrown around, they want to try to protect us. So that's kind of a cool thing that they do for us here in Alaska. It's kind of cool. I got my own personal pilot car. It's complete! Now the time to do my best Kinga. That's called the Kinga. I just made it up. Not really. Well, here's the mess before I begin. I did get lucky at the Yukon. I was able to borrow a garden hose to at least get my radiators cleaned out. That got the temperatures back to normal. Look at all that. Yep. Wow. And that's packed too.